Hello everyone, welcome to the Wonder Garden channel, a place where we share plant and flower care tips to keep your garden healthy, lush, and blooming beautifully all year round. For orchids to produce new branches, new shoots, and bloom again, we need to care for them properly, provide the right nutrients, and create the best conditions for recovery and growth. Today, with just a few simple steps, you'll have a very useful orchid care solution that helps the plant quickly develop new shoots, stimulates strong flower spike growth, and encourages more even blooming. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our simple yet effective organic orchid care tips. Let's get started. To make today's fertilizer, you need to prepare a lemon. I only use half a lemon like this, and that's enough. First, we squeeze out the lemon juice. Lemon juice contains citric acid, vitamin C, and many trace minerals that help clean the leaf surface, limit fungi and bacteria, and at the same time support the plant in absorbing nutrients more effectively. When used properly, lemon juice can also stimulate healthy root growth and improve the plant's resistance. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. After you have the lemon juice, dilute it with 1 liter of clean water before using. This helps protect the orchid's roots and leaves, allowing the plant to absorb it gently and more effectively. Method 1. Wipe the leaves of the plant. Pour the diluted lemon solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cotton pad or a clean cloth to soak up the solution and gently wipe all the leaves. Be sure to clean both the top and underside of the leaves, as this is where dust, bacteria, and small insects usually gather. Wiping the leaves helps remove the layer of dirt and opens the pores on the leaf surface, allowing the plant to breathe and photosynthesize better. The natural acid in lemon also helps limit fungi and bacteria, making the leaves greener, shinier, and healthier. You should apply this method 1 to 2 times per month. Wipe gently to avoid scratching the leaves. It is especially effective for orchids and other indoor plants. Method 2. Mist spray for the plant. Pour the diluted lemon solution into a spray bottle, then mist it evenly over the entire plant, focusing on both the top and underside of the leaves. This misting method allows the solution to spread evenly, helping the plant absorb it quickly without causing water buildup. Diluted lemon water cleans the leaf surface, helps suppress fungi, bacteria, and harmful insects, and also stimulates the plant's metabolism and photosynthesis. The leaves will become noticeably greener, firmer, and healthier. You should spray in the early morning or late afternoon, avoiding strong sunlight to prevent leaf burn. Apply it every 2 to 3 weeks to help the plant grow steadily, produce new shoots, and bloom more effectively. In addition, mist spraying helps balance moisture on the leaves, keeps the plant cool during hot weather, and reduces water loss and leaf tip dryness. With regular care, the plant maintains stable growth, develops healthy leaves and strong roots, and can more easily produce new flower spikes in the next stage. Method 3. Watering the roots. For the remaining solution, I add another 1 liter of clean water to further dilute it, ensuring it is completely safe for the orchid's root system. Because orchid roots are quite sensitive, a solution that is too strong can burn the roots or shock the plant. When diluted correctly, the roots will absorb the nutrients gradually and more effectively. After finishing the dilution, I pour the solution into a dedicated watering can and water evenly around the base of the plant, avoiding direct watering on the crown or young leaves. Diluted lemon water helps clean the growing medium, limits the growth of harmful bacteria and fungi in the pot, and at the same time creates a more airy environment for the roots to develop. When the root system is healthy, new roots will grow faster and anchor firmly into the growing medium, allowing the plant to absorb water and nutrients more efficiently. As a result, the orchid recovers quickly, grows steadily, and gains enough strength to produce new shoots and flower spikes in the coming period. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Method 4. Using lemon peel for the plant base. After squeezing out all the juice, remove the entire white inner pith and keep only the outer peel. Then, cut the lemon peel into small, suitable pieces like this, and spread them evenly around the base of the plant, on the surface of the growing medium. This helps repel harmful insects such as ants, aphids, and fungus gnats, because lemon peel contains natural essential oils and organic acids, with strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. In addition, as the peel slowly decomposes, it also provides trace nutrients to the growing medium, keeping the planting environment cleaner and more breathable. In particular, the natural scent from the lemon peel helps prevent insects from hiding in the growing medium, protecting the young roots. This allows the orchid to grow more steadily, keeps the roots healthy, and reduces the risk of root rot. It's a very simple way to reuse natural materials, yet it provides long-lasting benefits for your plants. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Results. After caring for your orchids with this lemon solution for a period of time, you'll begin to see clear and positive changes. The root system will start producing new, healthy roots with fresh green tips that attach firmly to the growing medium and absorb water and nutrients more effectively. The leaves will also become darker green, thicker, and shinier, with much less yellowing or weakness. The plant grows more steadily, and its resistance is noticeably improved. Most importantly, new flower spikes will gradually emerge from the leaf nodes. These spikes grow strong and upright, forming beautiful, even branches of blooms. When the flowers open, they display vibrant color, last longer on the stem, and are less likely to be affected by insects or fungal diseases, helping your orchid stay healthy and bloom more brilliantly. Orchids that are cared for with organic fertilizers always have a uniquely natural beauty. Their colors look richer, their petals are thicker and stronger, and their blooms remain fresh for a longer time. When you nurture your plants with both love and patience, your orchids will reward you with stunning, vibrant flowers full of life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel so we can continue discovering more simple and effective plant care tips together.